Hi guys, I'm making a cosmetic where got this cosmetic. See with this
monkey.
I always put this cosmetic on. I just do this.
Monkey.
There. Other cosmetic. Banana. I got that.
Monkey.
And now this cosmetic, the horror monster I got like yesterday. Stu.
Monkey.
You have two monkeys. This one, a normal monkey, like it's weird. It's a weird combo, but let's do it.
Monkey.
Okay, now the other one.
Monkey.
This is weird. Weird combo of a girl. This is good.
Monkey.
Now this last one. It's the ugliest. Look.
Monkey.
Ugly out of 10. And here's our last cosmetic in the world.
Monkey.
The owner thing. Your owner. It's a very cool one. Now see ya.